Hey guys, this is Katie from Sugarlaws, and today I thought I would do a quick little recipe video showing you guys how to make a super easy weeknight dinner that I make all the time. It's just chicken breast baked with the skin on, stuffed with goat cheese, spinach, and drizzled with a little bit of olive oil. It's super easy, but it kind of makes for a little bit of a special weeknight dinner. I think you guys are really going to enjoy it, so here we go.
Start with one large chicken breast, skin on. Gently pull the skin away from the meat. Stuff with 2 ounces of goat cheese and add a layer of baby spinach. Drizzle with olive oil and smooth to coat evenly. Sprinkle with sea salt and freshly ground pepper. Bake at 375 degrees for about 40 minutes. Serve and enjoy. For more, visit sugarlaws.com.